AI Stack, revolutionizing AI implementation in manufacturing. In today's Industry 4.0 era, manufacturing facilities rely heavily on AI applications. From visual inspection to predictive maintenance and yield optimization, multiple AI tasks must run simultaneously on a single production line. With fluctuating production demands, GPU resources often swing between overload and underutilization. How can we optimize these limited GPU resources? The solution lies in AI Stack's innovative GPU partitioning technology. A single high-performance GPU can now power multiple inspection stations simultaneously, delivering significant cost savings. Resources are intelligently allocated based on real-time production needs. When dealing with intensive computing tasks, AI Stack's GPU aggregation technology seamlessly combines the power of multiple GPUs, ensuring computing resources scale with your production demands. Infinitex's AI Stack platform masterfully combines GPU aggregation and partitioning technologies. Our comprehensive management suite provides complete oversight of your operations, from hardware to software. Smart GPU resource management enables manufacturers to make smarter investments, support more AI applications, and accelerate their journey toward truly intelligent manufacturing.